YouTube, we are headed through the twisties on the way to a car meet. So let's see what we can get into. Dark. Oh, we got big of it. Come on, big boy! Come on, big boy! Oh man, dude, that's so much fun, but it's so difficult trying to get a good good lean angle on the stretch, bro. Oh my gosh. Is dark. Oh no, look around them. We got Vic in the Gsxr 1K. Hold up. Oh, he ready to go. Let's do it. Ready? Let's go. Oh, let's go! That's S1000 taking 1Ks, man! That's so crazy. That S1000's keeping up with so much stuff, man. And it's got like little to nothing done to it besides just stretch and lower. And driver mod! That's all it's got. Driver mod, baby! So we're heading to the Fgcu meet. Let's see how it is. It was a really good turnout last time. Let's see if they got just as much of a turnout, if not a bigger one. That would be awesome to see today. Oh man, I need to get some better lights, man. This thing is very dim out. These sprinklers are always on. We gotta be careful coming over through here because they're always wet on this road right here. Yo, that's a true Gsxr rider right there. Do you see that? He's got zip ties in his back pocket. Look at that. Look, I just took one. He didn't even notice. Watch. Let's see. That's a true Gsxr rider with zip ties in his back pocket. That's all I'm saying. That's a true Gsxr rider right there. That's funny. Even when I had my Gsxr, I didn't have zip ties in there. Well, I had it in the trunk, I will say. But he had to keep it in the back pocket, man. That's hilarious. Let's see. Got everybody pulling up at the same time. Let's throw it in gear so we don't slide forward. Yo, yo. What's up, dude? What's going on? Yo, yo, yo. What up? How you guys doing? What's up, brother? Gotti. Oh, I think I met you. This is yours? Yeah, I met you before. At the Wawa.
Oh, yeah. I don't think I had this. Did I?
Yeah. You were trying to sell it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because it was you and the other guy with the S1K. That or he had like R1 or something. I don't know.
R1.
Probably, yeah.
Alright, so we have made it to the meet. Still pretty early. I thought we were showing up kind of late, but we showed up pretty early. Got the S1K out. Still pretty early, so more people should be showing up. It's still like this whole top row is pretty packed though. So we should have a bunch more bikes popping out. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing?
Dude, we're waiting for everybody to get ready so we can go over to the McDonald's. Pretty much the same spot we were just at, but we're gonna go to the McDonald's because everybody is hungry, meaning me. And everybody taking their sweet time. Yo, he rocks up this rear tire so much, bro. Oh my god! Oh, uh-oh. That was Popo over there. That's Popo. That's Popo. That was not me doing the burnout. Stay away. Man, this light is taking forever, man. Oh my goodness. We all just got done grubbing on some McDonald's, so I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below what y'all want to see next, and pretty much just make sure you guys like, subscribe, watch the videos all the way to the end so I can try to get monetized. It's a grind, man, but the longer you guys stay on the video, the better. Like, it helps so much, guys. Like, I really appreciate you guys watching. I really do. So if y'all would interact in some way, shape, or form, that would be amazing. So we're one step closer to monetization. And until next time, bye.